Hello everyone. Are you someone with low self esteem who wants to radiate a magnetic aura? Or do you ever feel invisible in social settings no matter how hard you try to stand out? Or have you wished your presence could effortlessly attract opportunities and inspire others? If you answered yes to any of these, you're not alone. The answers to these struggles lie in understanding the magnetic aura. A magnetic aura refers to an attractive energy field or presence that draws others in, often described in both metaphysical and psychological terms. A magnetic aura isn't about being the loudest or most extroverted. Magnetic aura blends internal qualities with external behaviors. Let's break down the 15 strategies into two clear categories to help you build both from the inside out. Category number 1: Internal qualities. Let me tell you why you should work on internal qualities. Internal qualities shows your external behavior. So first, work on your internal qualities using these 7 things. Number 1, self-confidence. It is not something you can learn from someone or something. Know your worth without being arrogant. Confidence drags people towards you by showing your capability. Number 2, positivity. Be grateful for who you are and where you are. Positivity creates an inviting energy that can uplift people. Number 3, authenticity. We all are authentic and people get attracted to those who celebrates their authenticity by sticking to values. Be as real as you are. Number 4, purpose driven mindset. Have meaningful goals. It attracts and inspires people subconsciously without even knowing. Number 5, self compassion. Take care of yourself and check on yourself more often. Remember, you have to take care of your body and mind. Be gentle to yourself. Number 6, mindfulness. Stay focused and be in the moment. If you can show focus, it signals your emotional maturity to people around you. Number 7, growth orientation. Always be open to learn new things. It makes your energy fresh and attracts people. Once you practice these, let me tell you how you can show them to attract, and here comes category number 2, external behaviors. Here are 8 external behaviors to radiate magnetic aura. Number 1, intentional style. Dress in a way that reflects your personality. Understand your body type and dress up according to the event. Choose comfort over styling because confidence peaks in your appearance before you do. Number 2, expressing gratitude. Express and acknowledge the person's impact verbally with whom you are in conversation with. Like, a simple thank you shows your goodwill. Number 3, open body language. Body language could be a simple smile, hand gestures while talking, or making an eye contact. Remember, your body posture do matter, so correct it today itself. Number 4, acts of kindness. Be kind and gentle. You can do this by simply offering help or giving any kind of suggestions. Number 5, generosity. Share your knowledge and give time to people. Trust me, by doing this, you are attracting them towards you as time is precious, and if you are giving it to people, they'll often come back to you. Number 6, active listening. It is something we all lost these days. Listen to people carefully and stop interrupting in between. Your interest in conversation with them makes you even more attractive. Number 7, playful humor. Share any stories which can make them laugh, or you can share light-hearted jokes. Laughing is a blessing and it can make you attractive because sense of humor is what we needed. Number 8, strategic vulnerability. Share struggles because people can relate to you and they can see them in you. Magnetic aura is about harmonizing your inner world with outward actions. Start by strengthening one internal quality and one external behavior. Over time, this balance will help you radiate authenticity naturally. And that's it. I hope this helps. Bye. See you soon.